Nissan 5-pack has the Datsun. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here gonna unbox a Nissan 5-pack and a Magnus Walker Bush and a Backman Mobile. Let's get cracking. That was scary, guys. So here's the box, guys, and I'm ready to crack it open. Let's get cracking. So let's get oh, weird. Can't open. I don't need that. Like here's one like this. So are you ready? I have this one, guys. This is a Datsun. So this is a Datsun 620. Has cold rooms 72. I can see the inside of the car. It's a pretty cool old school pickup. Alright, coming up. This is cool. I found the Godzilla set. It's an old Nissan Skyline, which have it in the Godzilla. And here's the other one, like that. See how cool is that, guys? So this is gonna be a pretty cool one. It's a Nissan Skyline Classic something something. I like the interior. It's got the lie down bed. Just the driver driving. It has a really cool white stripe down the side. Actually, they made these as the bed. It's like a bed if you passenger sleeping. Let me move them up a little. So this is also gonna be one. It's like white, black, gray, blue, red. I like the red rooms. It looks like cool Japanese writing down the side. And I actually think this is Datsun's logo. There's only one more, which is the same, different. One. Datsun! It's a Nissan Fairlady Z. It says Nissan on the top. That's pretty cool. It's got the number 80. I like the orange and the black because it matches the same as the Tigers. So this is the Magnus Walker. It's like not the kind of one I like. Look here, Magnus Walker. Actually, Movie is branded by Magnus Walker. It says 277. It's a Magnus Walker design code. Actually, they designed both. They actually designed more to design it. I like the red, the blue, and the white with some Magnus Walker colors. Wow, this is gonna be wonderful. Dr. made this one has a treasure hunt. It's a Batman mobile from I like it. That's all, guys. Follow me for more course. Ciao. Like my video.